We, as an organization, One Championship, without a doubt, have the greatest athletes in mixed martial arts. I would put our athletes in the One Championship cage against any mixed martial arts fighter out there.
A bit of a fast starter. So the main thing I've been working on is keeping my composure in the cage and just working on my mindset in the competition.
I would like to say thank you to One Championship for giving me a chance to fight here. I trained hard for this fight.
2 years since I made my professional debut with One Championship here in Manila, and I'm very excited to be back. The crowd is amazing, fans are amazing.
感谢大家，感谢万人冠军赛这次给我的一次机会，我一定会打好这次比赛，一定能赢，必胜。
An honor to represent our country in this sport. Alam ko marami pang mga Pilipino ang magra-rise up sa sport na to, and of course in any other endeavors. At ito'y napakalaki para sa atin.
It's going to be easily the biggest show here in Manila in this modern day. Everyone, all these athletes were ready. We keep training hard, just put it all on the line for the name of entertainment. So please do enjoy that, and it's a real gift to you guys.